guys? Good morning. Um, the markets are pumping up like crazy. Today's gonna be a hard day again. It's gonna be one of those days where we trade at all-time highs and we just don't stop. It seems like. But what's going on, guys? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Um, the thing is, I don't even know what to look for anymore. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So here, let me start up the live trading here. Starting up the live trading. Join up. But yeah, I mean the market is just off open. It's just pumping up. When we have a setup, but what what can we do? What can we do? It's gonna be one of those days where we just pump up with no questions. It's gonna be one of these days. Let me tell you guys. Oh man, this is gonna be really hard to trade. I can already tell how today's gonna look like. Oh man. Okay, but let's get started. Yo, what's up, guys? Um, I'm sure you guys see the markets. We're at all-time highs again. Um, and it's like there's so many buyers that I at this point I'm just gonna say gamble longs. Like I'm this close to saying it. I was not expecting this type of open. I was I'm speechless. I really am. I really am. But you never want to go long because obviously we're all-time highs. What am I gonna target? Like, bro, what do you want me to do? But, anyways, guys, um, we're in a spot right now where there's a chance where I'm going to gamble longs at this point and just hope for the best. Cause this thing is pumping up with like crazy, like it's insane. Um, so yeah, they were trying to get that inverse. Oh, bro, you already know, bro. But there's so many buyers, and this has happened literally every single day this week. So I doubt we're gonna get an inverse. But you never know. You never know. Right, guys? I'm sure you guys already know the game plan. What I would ideally look for, but with buyers being so strong, we don't even know if we're gonna see it. All right, guys. But realistically, on a real note, what we would look for, at least for now, maybe we could hope. ES needs to sweep first. I haven't even looked at ES. Oh yeah, it does have that London high. Okay. But anyways, what I do want to look for first, guys, is okay. Obviously, we want sellers to step in. We don't want too long at all-time highs. We don't do that, right? Why don't we do that? Obviously, because there is no price targets above. Price is at all-time highs. There is nothing to target above. So if you take longs, you don't know where the market is going to reverse. You don't know if it's going to reverse. You don't know what to target, and the list goes on, right? So what do we want to look for? Of course, we want to look for sellers. We want a lot of sellers, right? Now we do have this very nice, very nice bullish fair value gap that we could trade with, right? Hold on, before I explain that, let me go ahead and put this YouTube live. What's up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? And put it here in the server real quick. Okay, now we want sellers to step in. It's a no-brainer, right? We want this high up here, this London high slash all-time highs, to get taken out, right? We can still take it out as long as sellers step in and we sweep below this. We're good, right? The thing is, don't have high hopes for this. Buyers are so strong, and this, like I said, it's been happening all week to a point where it's probably gonna keep happening. All right, guys. So what I want to see is, of course, right here, a simple, just a simple all-time high sweep. So we have London slash all-time high drawn liquidity, right? That's a simple reading. Now we took out this level and we're pumping up like crazy. I mean, we're literally breaking highs, right? So we want we want to see sellers step in here. Can we see sellers? Probably, but like I said, we're at a point where we want to see it, but we're probably not going to see it because there's so many buyers. I mean, we're still breaking highs. Does it make sense? Not really, but it's the market. It's the market, right? But realistically, right now, I'm going to stay bearish for like maybe like a few minutes. If buyers keep breaking highs, then I'm just going to be bullish, although I never do this. I'm going to do it for the one time. Just because I know what's going to happen. I just know what's going to happen, right? But realistically, for now, for the next few minutes, depending on how sellers step in, it seems like they want to step in. Did ES take out all time? No, it hasn't. Not all time highs. I mean, this London high. So we probably have a bit more room for higher, but hopefully we don't. Right? Anyways, what we want to see once again is for sellers to step in. If we could somehow, remember, keyword here is somehow get sellers to step in, we can get the perfect short because the drawn liquidity to the downside, the areas that we could target, is insanely good. Now we have 775, which is the New York Open low, or yeah, pretty much this low right here that we created when New York opened. Right now we have this London low down here, and we have this Asia low, and we have a gap below. So everything is lining up perfectly for the downside, like perfectly. Someone said OMG, what's going on? Okay, nothing. Okay, but yeah, everything is lining up perfectly. Now, the one thing we need, the one thing we can ask for, is for sellers to step in. Could it happen? I'm going to be honest with you guys, probably not. Buyers are really strong right now, right? But we can only hope, right? So yeah, that's what we're looking out for right now. If we can snipe shorts right here, then the amount of points that we could snipe to the downside is insane. We're looking at like 140 points, maybe more, right? We're looking at yeah, 145 points, pretty much. So sellers will look good, but yeah, trade ES. No, I am bro. No, I'm gonna stop you right there. I am never gonna trade ES in my life. ES is horrible. I will never trade it. I've done it before. I've regretted it every single time. Yeah, I know we have a gap in the market. Yeah. Now can we see it? We're really far away from it, so we need sellers to step in right now. We don't have time to pump up. We don't have time for this. We need to sell off. Right now, if buyers stay in control for for some time, I'm talking 15-ish minutes, maybe 20 minutes, to a point where we keep breaking new highs constantly. I would never do this, but I'm gonna gamble some longs, right? I'm gonna take some positions into, obviously not right now, but if like we're respecting fair value gaps, buyers are stepping in, we're breaking new highs, we're doing continuation models, everything, right? Then yeah, I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I'm gonna gamble some longs and just, bro, but that's breaking your rules. I know, bro. I know, but well, it's not breaking the rules because we have a setup. Like I said, I'm gonna wait for fair value. I'm not just gonna enter because we're breaking highs. That's the last thing I'm gonna do. But it's just the price targets. That's the only thing that worries me. You guys know I don't trade if we don't have price targets. So we would need to set some sort of high so we could target at least, right? So we're gonna see what we can do from here on out. But like I said, I would wish for buyers to step in because it would be perfect. But it's the chance of us getting sellers is don't even like it's slim to none in my opinion. Like the chances of us getting sellers to step in at this rate to where we're at with so many buyers stepping in and us being so high up into all-time highs, it's very slim, right? So yeah, we could just trim accordingly. Yeah, we could do that, of course. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. If buyers have the momentum to a point where sellers are not going to step in and we're respecting fair value gaps, I'm going to do some longs. Like it's either that or wait, we're selling. Oh no, we're not even selling off because ES is selling off. It's gonna be one of these days where ES sells off and NQ does absolutely nothing. Maybe wait for the 15-minute for. No, the 5-minute looks good enough. The 5-minute looks way too good. Now, yeah, the 15-minute looks huge. Don't get me wrong. Like this thing is fucking, yeah. But the 5-minute looks good enough. Like if we get a sweep, you can get a very very nice entry. Now we can only hope for some sellers. Full size, yeah. We don't have any news stopping us. We don't have anything really. The sizing is not the issue today. It's the selling. We need sellers. And like I said, I'm gonna keep saying this. My hopes are not high for sellers just because of the way buyers reacted off this all-time high. I know we're gonna shoot higher. It's a known fact. But who knows? Maybe sellers just want to step in and take full control, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. In the meantime, for the next few minutes, we're gonna see how sellers react. And for the meantime, I'm going to try to lean more towards bearish for now. Now, if we keep breaking all-time highs constantly to where, we keep breaking up and up and up and up, I'm going to be bullish. Although we're at all-time highs and I never do this, it's a high probability gamble. Think of it like that. Not a high probability setup, a high probability gamble. Right? So, yeah. Now, fingers crossed. It seems like sellers are trying to step in. Obviously, we don't have any sweep yet. We need to break below 843, but we're going to see how that goes. All right, guys. In the meantime, let me type this up real quick. We can only hope for sellers. That's like the. Now, if we do get sellers, I'm gonna be very confident in the setup. Like I'm gonna do full size. Like I'm gonna really like the setup because everything lines up perfectly. It's just, you know, the selling, pretty much. But we'll see. We're currently inside. Oh my! What the hell is ES doing? This thing is selling off like crazy. And NQ is barely reacting. So that shows you guys something, right? If ES is selling off like crazy, breaking lows and creating fair value gaps on the way down, and NQ is barely reacting, it's gonna take some time. We're gonna need some sort of an S&T flip. So we need a few things. We need an S&T flip, and we need sellers to be very strong on NQ, right? But who knows? I mean, we could still get it. Who knows? Who knows? I mean, realistically, guys, we're really only 30 points away from an entry. Not even. We're 25 points away from an entry, which is not bad at all. Which is not bad at all, right? But 25 points in a bullish market could feel like 100 points sometimes. So we'll see what we can get. So far, ES was looking promising. I don't want to speak too soon, obviously. But we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, guys. Now ES also has a lot of room to the downside. We have the main liquidity being at Asia lows, and then we have some low that we created yesterday, which is what we want to look into. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes as well, right? But so far, we have a London low right here. I'm not gonna say it's valid. It's kind of just a random low. There's no major liquidity here. So if we break below 6,072, we could see 6,060 pretty quick, I would say, pretty quick. Now, yes, it's still trying to break lows here, and NQ is just not reacting, which is what we know because obviously there's a lot of buyers stepping in. What's your opinion on a live personal account? There's nothing wrong with it. If you have the money for it, do it. Why not? Can we do a continuation on the way up? The thing is, what are we gonna continue into? There's no levels above, so that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna stay bearish. If we get a lot of buyers to the point where it shows like they want to keep breaking above all-time high, then unfortunately we're gonna have to work with what we have, right? Which is not something I usually do, but sometimes you just have to take the risk, right? Not worried. No, I'm not worried about that. No. Shorts look good. Not yet, bro. I mean, not yet. We're still inside of this bullish rally gap. Keep that in mind. We just need. Okay, if we could somehow get an S&T flip on NQ, that would be like God is blessing us pretty much. Because the chance of that happening, I'm telling you guys, it's not impossible, but it's pretty low. Just because of the reaction that we got. I mean, look at this. Look at this. ES. Look at the selling on ES, and look at the reaction on NQ. You guys see what I mean? So, yeah. Will you guys fall for first? Yes, I will. That's if we get it. I don't know if we're gonna get it. I kind of doubt we get it. Do you think funded accounts are more convenient than live accounts? If you're copy trading, yes. If you don't have the money for it, yes. But if you have the money for it, then do a live account. As long as you hold your no. We don't want it to hold. We want it to sell off. We want to look for shorts. Because obviously, like, don't get me wrong, longs look amazing. We're getting a fair value gap retracement. Buyers are looking like they're in complete control. I mean, look at this. It's a no-brainer, right? The only issue here is we don't have price targets above. So trust me, I would long this any day of the week. Trust me, I would long this any day of the week. I really would. The thing is with us being at all-time highs, it makes it really complicated to have any price targets or any confident reading in the market to, know what it's gonna do. That's the problem, right? So yeah. And ES, yeah. Now, like I said, I'm gonna be if I want to be bullish, we're gonna have to see the reaction of this high up here. If we break above like 908 or 910, and we keep breaking above, I'm going to be bullish. And I know you guys probably don't want to hear that. You guys probably might want to hear that, but it's just I have no choice. I really have no choice because, like I said, the chance of us getting a selling setup is very slim, at least for this morning. It's a huge risk. It is, but sometimes you just have to take the risk, bro. Trust me, I love this setup for shorts. If I could full port any setup, it would be this one. Trust me, I really would. I love the idea for shorts, right? But the buyers are looking way too strong on this. We need an S&T flip on NQ, and the chances of us getting that it's very slim. We could get it. It's not impossible, but don't have your don't have your hopes too high up. You know what I mean? But we'll see how it goes. We'll give the market some time. We'll see how it goes. So far, we managed to flip this candle from green to red again, which is really nice. A really nice you know starting idea for some selling. But you know I mean we're still holding up this midpoint. So David gives you guys another red trade and we're gonna be at 200. Bro, if they want to leave over a red trade, then be my guest, bro. Like, but yeah, like, what do you want me to do? Like, not lose? Obviously, you guys don't want that, but I can't really control that sometimes. I don't think I'm some robot that only wins. Yeah, it was one red trade, and we made it back. So yeah, even robots don't win anytime. Yeah, exactly. We might chop, bro. Do not say that, bro. Do not say that. Have high hopes for sellers, bro. Do not say that. We don't want to see chop. We don't want to see buying. We only want to see selling. All right. What the hell? Okay. Now ES on the other hand, it's taking out liquidity. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Right now, let's go ahead and see how NQ is looking. You guys see the selling here. NQ, bruh. Like, bro. NQ is probably waiting for ES to take out liquidity and pump back up. Probably. It could happen. Yeah, it really could happen. Now, if ES wants to keep going lower, fingers crossed it keeps going lower because I really want to take these shorts. Like, I really want to take shorts. I really like the idea for shorts. Right? We have an all-time high sweep. We have nothing stopping us above. We have a fair value gap inverse. We have liquidity below. It's amazing. But the chance of us getting selling, it's, a little questionable. Will your stop loss be the usual 25-point stop loss? And it seems like we might sweep liquidity at 72. Might. I mean, we just took it out. It just happened, so we don't know yet. But hopefully we don't reverse from here on out because it's going to be very hard to get a trade. Very hard to get a trade. Right? And NQ on the other hand, it looks like it wants to hold down. So maybe we're getting an SMT flip here. Maybe. We don't know just yet, but with ES getting some buyers up here, you would expect NQ to quickly reverse. But if you look at NQ on the other hand, it's not really reacting as strong. So that's a good sign. If we keep getting some sellers, we can definitely sell off a lot more. Right? But yeah. Hopefully ES doesn't take out the levels too quick. Well, it already took out one of the major levels. Right? But it could still keep on going down if it wants to continue lower. Right? So we can still have high hopes. That's a good thing. Right? As long as, okay, look guys, if we hold below 72, we have nothing stopping us till 60, which is a very far away level, which is good. Isn't this the same situation as yesterday, liquidity on the fair value gap? No. Because yesterday we took out the liquidity inside of the fair value gap. On NQ, we don't have liquidity. We already took it out. That's the thing. Now we just want it to go below the level. Right? Yesterday, we took shorts when it took out the low. In this case, we want to take shorts because it took out the high. So it's the right thing. Right? So I do know I get what you're saying, but no, that's not what's happening right now. In this case, we want liquidity to go below the level, or price to go below the level of liquidity. But yeah, it seems like buyers are trying to step in, but sellers quickly keep rejecting them, which is a very good sign. Because if we can manage to get the buyer exhaustion, sellers would just take complete control, and we just snipe shorts from there on out. It would be amazing. I'm telling you guys, I really like this setup. But one can only dream sometimes. But we'll see. The fair value gap is quite huge, so 25 point stop loss would be enough. Yeah, but trust me, it would. It would. Let me see how it would look like. So we get an entry like right here. Yeah, 25 point stop loss would be really good. Yeah, like you have a lot of breathing room. You have a really good risk reward with your first price target. Yeah, looking at a 1 to 2, maybe almost 1 to 3. and then your final price target, you're looking at 125, which is not bad. You're looking at 144 points for an entry, which is not bad at all. It's actually really good. So yeah, what we want to look for here once again, guys, is we're trying to look for a DOL sweep. Now buyers are holding this midpoint of the fair value gap with their life. DOL sweep. So if we can break below that could be a good sign into shorts. Okay, that's something. We're trying to get a breakout here, right? It'll be amazing, right? Now we just need the MSS here, which is it's trying to form very slowly, right? So far it's looking okay. I don't want to jinx it, so let me not say so far it's looking good, but you guys get the idea. You guys get the idea so far. Let me check something up real quick. 2166. Okay. Okay, we're chilling. Let me make sure everything's looking good. Okay, there you go. Let me open up the chat again. Okay. Are we in any trades? No, bro. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. But come on, Serge. We could break this low. Come on. It's like a step in the right direction. You know what I mean? A step in the right direction. That's all we need. Okay, we just broke a new low, which is good. Can we hold below it? Okay. You know, so far so good. We're realistically, guys, we're 10 points away from an entry. Okay, hold on. We can actually cook something up here. Hold up. We're not too far from an entry, guys. We are not too far from an entry. Hold on. We can actually cook something up here. Surprisingly, we can cook something up here. Keep in mind, we still have to dump 10 points down. So, yeah. 10-point dump. That's all we need. So far, ES is looking still pretty good to the downside. We still have a lot more room. I'm not really, like I said, I'm not worried about this London low. It's not really an important low. So yeah, we could definitely still have room for lower. Now we're at the entry. Okay, wait. We can actually get something. Now, if we can sell off below this inverse and confirm the sweep, this could be amazing, guys. This could actually be the trade. Hold up. This could actually be the trade, guys. Hold on. We can cook something up here. We really could. We really could cook something up here. Now, if we can hold below like 840, I would enter. All right, guys. We can actually cook something up here. This might look like really good. Now, we need to hold below this inverse. Come on, now. Let's not get buyers right now. We need to hold below this inverse. Come on now. Now, there's two possible entries here, guys. We're gonna take the earlier entry at first, which can be off the 5-minute time frame, right? But the 15-minute also has a fair value gap, which we can also enter off of in the future, just in case something bad happens, right? We can always rely on that. All right, guys. But yeah, ES is selling off. It's looking amazing. It definitely still has room for lower, so we just need NQ to hold. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enter short here. Oh my god, I think I said that way too late or too early. I don't know, guys. I'm in shorts. Regardless, I am in shorts, guys. I'm in shorts. Right, we're getting the selling. It looks like we're holding below the fair value gap. It's looking pretty good. So let's find out. Let's find out how we do here. All right, guys. Like I said, if the 5-minute doesn't want to react as promising, we can always rely on the 15-minute fair value gap if we need to inverse that one. All right, guys. If it's a big if, we need to. All right, guys. So yeah, let's find out. So far, oh my, look at that beautiful selling, man. Look at that beautiful selling. So far, it's looking amazing. Let's see. So far, 20 points on this entry. I don't know where you guys entered. I think I said the entry a little bit too late. I literally, as I said it dumped down. Obviously, I can't control that. But let's find out. So far, 20 points on this sell-off. It looked really nice. But no trims yet. Alright, guys. But let's see how we can hold this up. I want to see one more sell-off before I take any trims. You guys already know the deal. So we're going to see how that goes. Let me see. Okay, bet. But yeah, like I said, if we have to rely on one more entry, if something, the worst case happens, we can always rely on the 15-minute time frame, guys. We can always rely on the 15-minute, because keep this in mind, we're still inside of the 15-minute fair value gap. So is it something to worry about? Not really anything crazy. But if we do get stopped out on the 5-minute time frame and we want to keep selling off, we can always rely on the 15-minute just for a re-entry, right? We can still target the same things and it could look just as good. All right, guys. So yeah. Go ahead and set this real quick. But man, I love this setup. I love the way this setup looks. I'm hoping nothing crazy happens, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. This could be just a mini pullback. This could be just a little mini pullback. But come on, sellers. We need some more. We need some more here. This setup looks way too good to not work out. This setup looks way too good for it not to work out. Let me see. Okay, bet. Alright, next candle opened up. Let's see how this one goes. If this one can hold red, we should be good to go. Right? Hopefully ES doesn't do anything weird off this London low. It shouldn't. It really shouldn't, but you never know how ES reacts. Alright, guys. But let's see. So far, it says I'm still saying that it's a pullback. I don't want to be too worried about it just yet. But let's see. Let's see. Okay, bad. There you go. I had to type something up. Okay. But yeah. So far, I'm not too worried just yet. But I really don't want this to be a pullback though. This setup looks way too good. I don't want it to be a pullback into the stop loss. That's the only problem. Because I don't want to see we enter too early off the 5-minute. Because the 50-minute is still there. Oh my, look at that. Look at that, guys. We just need more sellers to hold this down. But yeah, just in case, let me mark. I don't know if I want to mark that just yet. I don't want to confuse you guys. But yeah, no. I think we might have gotten too early of an entry here. I don't want to say that just yet, but buyers are stepping in really quick. This setup looks way too good to not play out. There's no way. Let's see. Okay, yeah, guys. I got stopped out for now. There's no way. There's no way. There is no way. Wow, that is... Hold on. Because if I have to get another re-entry, like I said, I will. I really... There's no way. I like shorts way too much. There's no way that didn't play out. What the hell? Now, if anything, guys, I'm just gonna resort to the 15-minute. But there's no way. Like, what? That looked way too good. Bro, then SJM, bro, just leave, bro. Like, what? Too early? No, it was not too early. We literally saw 20 points there. But why would it reverse there? It's a full-blown reversal, it seems like. Why we didn't hold that for value? No, we couldn't. I'm not sure why. Like, what is his buying coming in? What was your entry? My entry was 837. Yeah, 837. Yes, took out liquidity. The thing is, that liquidity is not strong. I'm still bearish. Don't get me wrong, guys. I know the market's still gonna dump down. It's just we're getting a pullback here. Yes, rejecting off the middle of the 30-minute opening candle. There's no way. Everything lined up perfectly in that trade. There is no way. Wow. That is annoying. We got everything confirmed in that trade, and it just didn't want to play out. I'm not going to say we entered too early, nor did we make any mistakes, but... Wow. What was swept? Nothing. Nothing. That's the thing. I think we should do longs. Nah, there's no setup for that. At least not yet. At least not yet. But wow. I'm still gonna pay attention to the 50-minute. If I have to get a re-entry, I will. I don't care. I really like shorts, and I'm gonna be married to this bias till we get a reversal. Because ES still wants lower. Look at this. It's literally just a pullback. But we just need the rejection here on NQ to get the shorts. But we're gonna have to take it off the 15-minute this time though. Was the fair value gap even inverse? Yes, it was on the 5-minute, right here. We took the entry at the inverse right here. So the fair value gap was right here. We took the entry here. We saw 20 points and then it just reversed, right? Like I said, I'm more than positive this is a pullback and we're gonna see lower. But in this case, we're gonna have to get a later entry off the 15-minute, which is not something I want to do, but we're gonna have to. We're gonna have to. Do you need to wait? No, you don't. You don't. I don't, at least. Some people do it differently. Yeah, yeah. Believe? Oh, don't worry, bro. Don't worry. I know there's some insane wicks. Yeah. And ES has the selling and everything. Like, it gets annoying sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. It really does. And this week has been something, let me tell you guys. But yeah, how much do we have to sell off in order to even get a second entry? Okay, 60 points. That's not horrible. That's not horrible. That's definitely doable. Ah, but by the time we sell off, we're probably gonna see the Asia low on ES already, since ES has the bearish SMT. So if NQ sells off, ES is gonna sell off even harder. That's the thing. Because look at this. Look at the selling here compared to here. See what I mean? So I don't think we're gonna create another setup down here. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. There's no folder today? No, there isn't. There isn't. It's just straight price action today. But man, this week has been really annoying. Wow. And this is one of the setups that should have played out. Let me see. If you get a late entry, you should keep the stock where it would be at. No, no, no. Just have your usual 25-point stop. It's good enough. I'll bounce off the 200 SMA. I don't really trade the SMA at all. Don't worry about it. I'm not worried, bro. Don't worry. I'm not worried at all. Alright, let's see if we can get some more selling again. Ah, but the thing is, that's gonna worry me now is if we get the selling now, and we inverse the 15-minute fair value gap, it's this Asia low on since ES is leading. If we take out this Asia low and sweep, NQ is gonna go right back up. So if ES wants lower, that'll be amazing. But by the time we see that, it's gonna be a huge problem. But I really want to inverse this fair value gap because the 5-minute looked amazing, but it didn't want to hold that up for now at least. So I guess we're gonna have to rely off the 15-minute, but the 15-minute it's pretty far away since it's a bigger candle. But like I said, I know it's a pullback and I know we're gonna go lower. I know we're gonna see these levels of liquidity. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's literally a no-brainer. But it seems like prices didn't want to respect the 5-minute, you know. But look at this. You see what I mean, guys? Like we're still selling off. I don't know if you guys want to react off this 5-minute. It'll be the riskiest thing ever, but I'm gonna base it off the 15-minute. I'm gonna get a later entry and just base it off that. But you know, we'll see. We'll see. So here, let me type this up real quick just in case. Yeah, the 15 minute I guess is what we're gonna have to rely on. I don't want to rely on it, but the 5 minute is just not looking too promising to us. So yeah, yeah, guys. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I'm telling you guys, I know we're gonna pull back, and I know we're gonna go down. It's so like it's like you know what I mean, guys. Um, but we're gonna have to wait for that entry at the inverse. I'm not taking anything until we inverse this because obviously it seems like it's what stopped us out. We got a 15-minute fair value got bounce. You know what I mean? Um, but we can still rely off this one. We're gonna have to. So the way it would look like would be an entry like this with the usual 25-point stop, and then our first price target it's a 1-to-1. So we're gonna have to kind of base off that. And then the rest will be pretty simple. It'll be just this. But man, we're getting a 40 to 50 point later entry. That's not something I was planning on doing today, but you know, if we gotta do it, we gotta do it. All right, guys. But like I said, in my eyes, I still love the setup with like everything. Like I would take the setup every single day of the week, every single day of the month if I have to. Well, I do. I literally do. But you know what I mean. How much are you size if we get another entry? The same size. I mean, like I said, the setup looks good. But yeah, quick entry. Quick question. I'm sure we all got a late entry around the range of 830. Will the stop loss still be 25 points, or do we do it where you have it on your chart? It's up to you. If you want to do it, if you don't want to risk too much, then yeah, just do it based off your entry. But if you want to have my stop loss, then just put it where I put it. Yes, they're talking about the insurance, bro. I could care less, bro, about what they say. Oh yeah, Squeezy, I got you, bro. I got you. Like, bro, I put Banks. I put out two small losses, and then you see people that you've never seen before in the chat just complaining. So honestly, you gotta ignore them, bro. You gotta learn how to. But yeah, hopefully we can get some sort of an inverse before we sweep Asia lows on ES. But sweeping these lows is gonna make the trade a tiny bit riskier. Because you guys know, if ES reverses, since ES has the control in the selling, if ES reverses, you guys already know that NQ is gonna reverse with no questions. So you know, now I wouldn't say price is bad. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like the price today. Although we couldn't get a good reading in the first trade, I don't think price is too bad. It's moving really nice. It's moving with volume surprisingly. So yeah. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out real soon. We gotta see the reaction of this 15 minute. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen. Because if it does, then as good as the setup looked, I can't do anything about it. Yeah, we need to break this low at 8. That's so disappointing. We saw a 20-point move and it just reversed like nothing. Ah, it was off the 15 minute. It was yeah no in my eyes it was a perfect setup. It still is. It still is. That's why I'm not mad about it. You know what I mean? Now yesterday with the trades yesterday, the first one, there's something to be mad about because we did make a little bit of a rookie mistake, which I reviewed with you guys. But yeah, this week is making all the boys mad intense. I mean, bro, what can I do about it? That's unknown, bro. I'm just trusting my gut to go long. Shorts working out for sure. Going against the trend. breaking out. Well, I mean, yeah. If you want to do that, go ahead. You doing good? Yeah, bro. What? Yeah, I am. Rookie mistakes. Lately, you've been doing a lot. What mistakes have I been making other than yesterday, bro? Tell me. And bro, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie. You guys are quick to talk when you guys see one little L. It's like, bro, what? You guys are really quick to talk, but no, when we put out wins, it's like, oh, it's like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and don't worry, I'm just reading the chat because I'm waiting for this to sell off. So once the trade goes there, I'm gonna close the chat. But what does open account mean in the blue top left? I've not been trading my. Oh, that's normal. That's normal. That's normal. Ignore that. Ignore that. It happens when you have a simulation account. Can someone please advise? What's the drawdown on a 100K account? Moments when you hit it. The drawdown on a. Are you talking about a full account or a static account? On the static account, it's like as long as the account doesn't go below 99,375, you're good. But alright, it seems like sellers are stepping in, which once again we know they're gonna step in. It's obvious. We know everything is lining up perfectly. Now we just need to inverse this fair value gap. So let's see. We're 10 points again away from it. Um, but guys, if we get an entry and it instantly reverses again off nothing, I'm just gonna call it a week. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys because it's happened a few times this week. So it's like bro. But yeah, okay. We're about to get another entry, guys. So be ready for this one. Be ready for this one. Let's see how this one goes. Fingers crossed it's actually the correct reading on what we want to see because we know the market wants to go down and we know exactly where it wants to go down into. Thing is getting the entry sometimes could be a little bit tricky. Don't get me wrong. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. So far the sellers are looking pretty good. We just need to hold below this 15 minute. All right, guys. That's the only reading we need. We have the MSS. We have a sweep. We have all-time high sweep. We have everything looking amazing, right? So we just need this close. Or not close, a break below, a strong break below. Right now, keep in mind the first price target is going to be a 1-to-1. So we're probably not going to get the most points out of the first price target, but just trust me. Alright, guys? Just trust me on the first PT. When I say take trims, if we see it, take trims. Do not get greedy on that one because, we're running a little bit of a risk here taking a 1-to-1 trade for the first price target. Alright? But alright, we're about to get a close below, or not a close, a break below. So let's see. Let's see. Alright, guys? Let's see how we do here. Remember, we need to get a strong break below it because we need obviously a lot of selling to step in. And oh yeah, this is looking pretty nice. But yeah, if we can break below like 800, I'll look for an entry. It's just ES is so close to this liquidity that it's worrying me a little bit. Not too much, but it does worry me a bit. Because if we take that out, then we could be screwed a little bit. So it all depends on the selling momentum, of course. But let's find out. So far, we're still holding this fair value up, which is it's all right, not a big deal. We just need to obviously break below it. That's all we need. All we need to do is dump like 15 points. So it can't be that hard. And it seems like ES is kind of trying to pick up here, which is, it could be a pullback. Like I said, I still want to see lower. I'm still expecting lower because I really want to take out the liquidity at least at 775. But Asia does have some really good liquidity as well, so we could probably see that as well. Who knows? Who knows? Right? That'll make up for an amazing trade. But the only thing holding us from going lower is this 15-minute fair value gap that we need to inverse. When we don't know, but we're gonna see soon. All right, guys, we're gonna see real soon. But yeah, we need to dump about once again 15 more points. Nothing too major. Now 10 points, 9 points. So we'll find out. We'll find out. But alright, okay, we're getting the selling again, which is good. You know, sellers are still picking up here, which we know once again. But let's see if we can hold below it. This second time could be a charm. Second retracement. Let's find out. All right, guys. Let's see if we can find an entry because we are holding below this. Be ready. We need to hold below 800. That's what I want to see. We break below 800, we're good. We break below and hold below 800, we're chilling. But we need to see how we hold this. So far, nothing just yet. Because I really do want to see a break and hold below 800. That's all I want to see. Come on, let's get a green to red candle flip here. Let's try to see it. Okay, so far, yeah, no, it's still holding up a little bit. I really hope the sellers on ES aren't getting too weak to the point where we're going to see a reversal soon off the setup, but we got to give it more time. We got to give it more time. So far, no entry just yet. So far, no entry just yet. We need to, if this candle can flip from green to red, I think that'll be the confirmation to enter. And all we have to do is dump 10 points. So it can't be that hard. It really can't be that hard. But so far, no entry yet, guys. No entry yet. What's the first take profit? It's right here. It's 775, 725, and 698. That's what I'm looking to target. 3 price targets. But yeah, so far we're getting. It seems like we're still getting a pullback, which is okay. As long as this candle can flip from green to red, we're good for the entry. But so far, nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. In the meantime, guys, give me a second. I'll be back in like literally 2 seconds. I gotta get something in my room. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. I just had to grab something myself. When are I be seeking 858 slash all time high? 858. What is that? What's at 858? Yeah, no, we don't have anything there. Do I have to get TradingView Premium to get the live chart? Yes, I think so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. If you have Apex, you get it for free. But yeah, we need so far. The ES selling is looking good. I'm sure we still go lower. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be a pullback. Once we can get this candle to flip from green to red, we're gonna enter. All right, guys, that's what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for. Now, I'm really hoping sellers can hold this down like really, really good. At least to see the first price target, because that's what I want to target. But yeah, look at that. Green to red on ES. Now, can we get green to red on NQ? That's what we're looking for. That's the real thing. We're about 8 points away from the entry. Nothing too crazy, but let's find out. All right, guys. Let's find out. As long as ES doesn't take out liquidity before we get the entry, we should be good. But come on NQ. A 10-point sell-off is all we need. It can't be that hard. Yeah, just the idea of shorts all morning has been amazing. I'm really annoyed the first trade didn't play out in time. Because it is, to be fair, it is playing out as we speak, but we just couldn't get the. We just got unlucky with the pullback. Really unlucky with it, but you know it's part of the game sometimes. But yeah, let's get this candle flip here. We're not too far from it at all. It can't be that hard to get the candle flip. We just can't have ES take out liquidity first. It's right there. It's close, but we can get a quick scalp if we do take that out beforehand. Yeah, price is still holding above this fair value, which is fine, but you know I'm hoping eventually we see a break below. I don't know when though, because ES is holding down, but NQ, yeah, look at this. NQ just does not want to react the same. NQ selling off. Yeah, it's going straight into drawn liquidity. We can't, guys, as long as we don't take this out first, we're good. But we just need NQ to react here. Because we can't have ES take this out first, because then if we sweep liquidity, then we're going to shoot straight into our stop loss if we get an entry. You get what I'm saying? So if we can shoot straight down on NQ first, and then ES takes out liquidity, we can get a quick trim there, go back to break even, and then hold the rest for lower. That's what we want to see here. That is what we want to see. So yeah, if this ends up happening, guys, we got to be quick with our fingers. And, you know, obviously the market's not going to wait for anyone. So, yeah. Yeah, we're still holding above this fair value gap. It seems like buyers do not want to inverse this at all. Look at this, guys. But we're going to find out. You guys see how we keep playing around this 815 and 810 level. As long as we break below it and hold below it, we're good for shorts. I can't stress it enough, guys. I can't stress it enough how much I like shorts today. It just looks perfect. You really can't go wrong with it. You really can't. Okay, we're about to get a candle flip here, finally. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Can we hold below it? Or do we just bounce back up? So far, ES has not taken out liquidity, which is a good sign. Which is a good sign. We can still get shorts, without an issue. But we need to obviously break below this. Alright, let's see. Third time's the charm? Who knows? Who knows? Alright, back to ES has not taken it. It's very close to taking it out, but it has not taken it out yet. So we just need a strong selling candle. We can't just take it just because it's going down. Just because of this liquidity. Alright, guys, I'm entering, guys. I'm in shorts. 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 I'm in shorts, guys. I'm in shorts. I got filled at 800. I like this too much. See, ES still hasn't taken out liquidity, so we still have room for lower. We're gonna find out real soon. Find out real soon. I at least want to see 775. At least. That's all I ask for. So I can get some trims and then just let the trade do its own thing. I at least want to see 775. If we can't get that, then, that's just my cue to just get off. But yeah, come on. I mean, yes is right there. We might as well take out liquidity. We're 2 points away. It can't be that hard. We take that out, and then we could probably shoot into 55 next. So we're going to see. gonna see. Let me look at the 5 minute. How's the ladder looking? Yeah, it's looking okay. It's looking good. It's looking pretty good. As long as we don't go back into this fair value gap, we should be chilling. And hopefully prices will start slowing down around this range. We shouldn't be slowing down, but we're gonna find out. We have all the confirmations. Everything is lining up, I would say, perfectly. So it's just a matter of time till we see 775. Ooh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm trimming. Guys, I'm trimming. I'm back at break even. I'm back at break even, guys. Guys, I'm trimming here. Please trim here. Guys, please trim here. I told you guys, trust me with this first price target. Trim here, alright? Okay, guys? Trim here, guys. Guys, trim here, okay? Trim. Press the button. Guys, press the button. Press the button, guys. Press the damn button. Alright, I press the button, guys. I'm gonna keep saying it. Oh my god, there we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Guys, press the button. Keep pressing the button. Keep trimming. Keep trimming on the way down. I'm back. I'm green on the day, guys. I'm back to green. 45 points here, baby. There we go. Oh my, there we go. There we go, guys. What did I tell you guys? There we go. Press the button. Trim. Press the button. Guys. Guys, there we fucking go. There we go, guys. This is how we do it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. I guess the second entry was what we needed. Oh my, we might even see PT2. We might even see PT2. 65 points on this shit, baby. Let's get it. 65 points. Oh my, bro, I am up so much money right now, and I size 4 on this one. Oh my god, let's get it. Let's get it, guys. We're about to see PT2, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. How many points are we up? 65, right? Yep, 65. And we're still seeing lower. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Guys, please trim on the way down. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. That's not, bro. Let's see. Okay, guys, we're selling off still. We're about to see PT2, guys. We're about to see PT2. Let's get it, baby. And I'm holding this shit full. Not full. Obviously, I trimmed. But I'm going to hold some good oh, bro, look at ES. Oh, my God. Let's get it, baby. Bro, I am up so much money right now. Oh, bro, guys. I went from being red to green in a blink of an eye. I trimmed too much. It's all right. As long as you can hold these contracts, you're good. Guys, PT2 hit. Guys, I'm trimming some more right now. I'm trimming some more right now, guys. Trim some more right. Bro, oh, my. I am up so much money on the day. Oh my, yo, guys, trim here. Guys, trim here. PT2 hit. We hit the London low. We hit the London low, alright, guys? Guys, move your stop loss to break even. Move your stop loss over to break even. Alright, guys. Trim here and move your stop loss to break even. PT2 got hit. For what, 80 points? Bro, oh my, I am up so much money, guys. You guys don't understand. Yo. Oh my. There we go, guys. That's how we fucking do it, bro. Okay, so it seems like the first entry wasn't it, but the second entry was. Yeah, and everything is hitting DOL. What causes selling? I'm not sure. I guess the 15-minute fair value gap was what was holding us down. Bro, I sized 4 on this one heavy, bro. That one was nice, bro. Wow, I am up a lot of money today, guys. You're still red? How? Wait, what? We literally caught 80 points from a 25-point stop loss. How are you red? Bro, can you guys chill in the chat with Patrick and all that shit, bro? Like, bro, just keep it, you know. I don't know if you guys are joking or not, but if you guys aren't, then just chill out a little bit. How many contracts? I did 10. I always do 10 with full size. Oh my god, here comes the Powell shit, bro. Okay, let me see. Um, okay, guys. By the way, I'm in runners. Before I answer the questions, I'm in runners from here on out. I have a break-even stop loss, so no matter what happens today, I'm going to be green on the day. A lot of green. All right, guys, and you guys should too. By the way, I don't know if you guys held the full way down with me, but if you guys are still holding with me, keep holding. All right, move your stop loss to break even. Let the trade do its thing. We could probably even see 100 points in a few minutes. All right, guys. But yeah, let me catch up with the questions. Explain to the people blowing up accounts that the only way to not blow up accounts and hit drawdown is to size the same consistently. 10 to 15 accounts max. Okay, no, we're not gonna do 10 to 15. We're not gonna do that. You're gonna blow up your account very quick, right? And 5 to 7 on a risky setup. Am I wrong? To each their own. But if they complain on your mentoring, it's because they don't follow the numbers and discipline. Yeah, well, to be fair, bro, I tell you guys to size light and you guys full port. If you guys blow up your account, it's partially my fault. Obviously, I gave you guys a trade idea that didn't play out. But if you guys are full porting these trades, then that's your problem. That's your fault. I can't control that part. You know what I mean? Obviously, you guys have to have your own risk reward, which I give you guys all the time. I tell you guys, hey, if you're on a 25k account, size 5 micros. If you're on a 50k account, do 7. I do 7. I make money, right? Why are you full porting? If you can't stay disciplined enough to not full port, then what can I tell you? You're gonna blow up these accounts. You know what I mean? So obviously, I always take responsibility for the red trades. But if you're gonna full port, that's your problem and that's your fault, and I can't do anything about it. I copy traded shorts and it went long. What? Yo, what? The hell? Are you sure you don't have any open orders? And guys, you guys don't have to say you never doubted me. It's okay. Like, I I I I don't mind. Like, just the first trade was just, I guess we just entered too early off the 5 minute where the 15 minutes stopped us out. It's okay. It happens. I just don't like when you guys act like you guys are different people when it comes to one loss. Like, what happened to the rest of the wins? You know what I mean? Like, you guys can't just switch up over like that. You guys gotta show some loyalty. But yeah, guys, I am up $600 per account on the day. Wow, I am up some serious fucking money. Up 305. Nice, bro. Nice. What does trim mean? Trim means that we're just taking profits on the way down and just securing the trade as we go. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys have your stop loss at break even. All right, guys. This brother saved my account from auto liquidation, bro. Um, keep your talking about them. Exactly, bro. Like, I promise you guys, I could care less. Just at least try to show some loyalty. Like, I don't care if you guys get mad about a loss. It gets annoying sometimes. I get it. I get annoyed when I lose as well. I mean, who doesn't? But just don't go off on me saying, oh, like, blah, blah. Like, come on, show some loyalty. Because obviously, I try my best to help you guys. I get you guys a lot of payouts, but when it comes to one loss, you guys act like a whole different person. I'm just waiting for. Okay, so if you pass your account, yeah, you should get an email by the end of the day. So by tonight, you should have the email. Do you think it's going to go back up based off ES? If we go back up, I would say it will probably be now because we took out a lot of levels of liquidity. We took out Asia, we took out this one, we took out this one down here. The more levels we take out, the higher the chance of a reversal is to happen. Chat started to turn on. Yeah, like, you guys don't know how to act when a loss comes up. Like, you guys know it's going to happen. What was your reason for re-entering? Okay, Twisted, off open. I've been telling you guys literally all morning, we're bearish. We know the market's going to go down. We know it. And the reason we know this is because we took out all-time highs at these London highs. We started showing signs of an MSS, giving us the bearish trend after the sweep, and we're inversing this 15-minute fair value gap. The first entry was based off the 5, but the 5 was inside of the 15. So although the 5 looked good, the 15-minute ruined the first setup. So I told you guys, it's okay. We know we're going to sell off because obviously we have other confirmations. We just need the 15-minute fair value gap to just reverse, right? And that's it. You're there, can you call me? Yeah, I got you, bro. Just call me. Call me, because I'm going to forget. This might have been the worst week we've had in months. In months, probably, yeah. This has been a really tough week. Okay, I didn't even. Yeah, the 15, bro. Cause look, Twisted, where we entered from was here, right? We entered right here, which is a good entry. Don't get me wrong. We did nothing wrong, right? The thing is, what stopped us out was, although we inversed this 5-minute fair value gap, we never inversed the 15-minute. We actually bounced from the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, worst month besides mid October. No, bro. And the end of September was horrible. The end of September was horrible. That one was a pain. That one is like I wanted to rip my hair out. I'm still around the week. Just don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Today I made 346 on my eval account, but the trading journal went from 600. Um, I, I don't know if that's normal. If anything, yeah, try contacting them and seeing what they say. What about on the 5 minute fair value gap? We didn't fully close. Okay, look. Kaden, I don't really ever use closes as an entry. It could be a confirmation, but I usually base it off the break, bro. SJM, bro. Okay, got yeah, of course. I always do breaks. I don't do closes. I don't really care about closes. I used to, but I learned they don't really mean anything. If anything, you're probably gonna miss a good entry if you wait for a close. But yeah, guys. Hopefully, and like I said, wait. By the way, how many of you guys are still holding with me? I'm assuming a lot of you guys. I hope a lot of you guys, because I would still say we have some room to go lower. Guys, remember we have this gap below. If the market wants to fill this gap, we're gonna look for it. We're gonna look for this gap fill. So I'm gonna hold it at least into this gap fill. So I would say at least into like 698 around there. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm still holding these contracts, and I really hope you guys are holding with me because this trade has no signal to get out just yet. Obviously, make sure you're trimming on the way down and securing profits, but hold this with me, guys. All right. What's the last TP? I would say 698, but if we go below it, I would hold it. How much was your very first trim? It was at 775 for about 25 points, making it a 1-to-1 risk reward. I actually trimmed at 30 points. And I trimmed half of my contracts, as always. Thank you for the trade. I got you, bro. Of course. Super green on the day. Beautiful. I'm also super green on the day, and I'm hoping you guys are too, unless you guys full ported the first trade and just pussied out on the second one. I just gotta be real with you guys. You know what I mean? But yeah. I didn't take the second trade. Yep, there it is. I was in some serious doubt. Bro, the thing is, I don't even know what to say because that's just your the way you think. You know what I mean? I told you guys the readings were there. Like I'm not trying to say like, oh, I told you so, because I really don't care. You know what I mean? But the whole point I'm trying to get is that we knew the market was going to go down. We know it. Everything lined up perfectly. We just got in, I would say, a quote unquote early entry off the 5 minute, but the 50 minute was still valid. The only reason that we got stopped on the first trade is because of the 50 minute time frame. All right. I woke up late, so I didn't take the first trade, but I'm up hella green right now, bro. By the way, guys, if you guys are green, guys, post those wins in the wins channels. It'll mean a lot to me. Nah, bro, we trust you. Just our mental sometimes is to sit out, bro. Trust me, I get it. I get it. Sometimes I'll be taking losses, and I sometimes even want to get off. Let me see. Risk management on a 50K account, 1%, $500. Actually, I would say risk like 320 per trade, not 150. I will do 320. 150, you're not gonna make as much. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are still holding with me because we're about to break these lows, guys. We're about to break these lows. Once we break 725, we have nothing stopping us until 698, guys. We have nothing stopping us until 698. So let's see. Let's see. First 50K pass feels a lot better than 25K, bro. It is, bro. Trust me. Gonna work. Thanks, David. About to cut that bro. Nice, bro. By the way, I'm gonna do a discount over the weekend. So if you wanna wait for that, I would say wait for it. All right, bro. Last week says 320. Yeah, do 320. Do 320. 150. You could definitely do 150. Don't get me wrong, but you're not gonna make as much. You're really not. Trust me. You can risk 320 and still hold that account up for a long time. All right. Yo, I'm getting off. Have a good weekend, everybody. I hope holders see 698. Bro, have a good weekend, bro. Stay safe out there, bro. I'll see you next week, bro. All right. Let me peep this chat. And bro, the funny thing is, like, bro, like, I'm in this other thing from RPs, and people in the chat are telling me how to trade. Like, bro, what? It was just one trade. Like, I'm telling you, bro, people switch up really fucking quick over something so small, bro. Like, grow up. But yeah. Anyways, bro, I love you too, Sebastian, bro. I love everyone here, bro. Like, yeah, it's 1L, and people act like they're a know-it-all. Like, oh, I told you so. You shouldn't have taken it. Like, and then they'll fucking take the trade, bro. Yeah, they do get toxic, bro. They do get toxic. Yeah, they want to blame everyone for themselves. Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, I don't really care. Let's avoid the toxicity. We gotta focus on the trade, guys. We're green as hell. This shit is paying for my lunch. This shit is paying for the whole week. Who knows, man? Who knows? But man, I am green as hell today, guys. You don't understand. I was down 480 on the first trade. Now I'm up 600 on this one. Listen, I'll joke around and stuff and say maybe we need a trade. Yeah, like trust me, I know when you guys are joking. Don't get me wrong. I could have because I found Blast Baby. Yo, the hell? I'm gonna get off for the day. Hope you guys have a good weekend and stay safe. Yeah, but no, next week I'm gonna make sure next week is good, guys. Don't worry about it. Matter of fact, next week I think we have FOMC, so you guys already know how that's gonna go. But we're gonna make it work, no matter what. We're gonna make it work. So look, next week oh wait, actually we have news every single day next week. We have PMI on Monday, which is amazing. We have 8 a.m. news on Tuesday. Wednesday we're gonna avoid because obviously there's FOMC. We don't trade FOMC. Thursday and Friday are looking really good. So yeah, next week should be a pretty good week. Should be. Keyword should be. But yeah, let me see how YouTube is holding up. By the way, guys, on YouTube, and on Discord, before you guys get off, guys, make sure to take advantage of the Apex discount. You guys are always asking about the discounts that happen. Right now there's an 80% off, guys. If you guys don't have any accounts or want to stack up on some accounts, use code Blasters on Apex so you can get the 80% off. All right, guys, make sure you take advantage of it because you guys already know how those discounts goes. All right, just take advantage of it. Not gonna lie, I didn't see the vision on the first trade, but I was in the second one, and I'm up 700 on the day. The thing is, the vision on the first trade was really good. I literally told you guys I love this setup, and I had the reason to. I mean, we swept all time high, we got the MSS, we got everything to line up perfectly. And by the way, guys, we're selling off. We're selling off still. So if you guys are still holding with me, I'm not gonna say to trim yet. If you want to, of course, you could. But I'm gonna hold until 698 for 105 points. Oh my, look at that shit, guys. Bro, this thing is paying like crazy. This thing's paying for lunch for the month, bro. Jeez. Hold on, guys. Let me post this real quick. Yeah, this week was all about re-entries, which is not something I really like too much. Can we see PT2? We're right there. Come on now. It's 10 points away. Cause I really want to trim. Or PT3, my bad. Yeah, on NQ for 105. There we go, guys. Guys, I'm trimming here, guys. I'm trimming. I've sold about 80% of my position already, guys. Alright? Please trim here. Trim here, guys. Guys, trim here. Press the sell button. I mean, yeah, press the sell button, guys. Not all of it, but trim here. Guys, and hold your runners. Hold your runners for the gap fill. Bro, I'm up $700 on the day per account. Oh my, bro. And I still have the profits from Monday. Wow. There we go, guys. There we go. 105 points on this. Oh, the buy button. My bad. The buy button, not the sell button. My bad. Thank you, bro. Buy button. The buy button. My bad. Let me see. I'm fully out. Got out PT3. Nice, bro. 105 points, just like that. All right. Blasters, please answer my question. I got you, bro. I know this is crazy, but two of my accounts got blown by just $500 in drawdown with one loss. Oh, bro. By the way, guys, with this question, Apex has been having, I think, a glitch going around throughout the week where you would be green on the trade and your account gets blown up. It's a glitch going on. I don't know. They said that they're gonna fix it and they're gonna compensate. How do you say the word compensate? Some shit like that. To where they fix it. All right. So if that happens, guys, don't worry. I'm sure they're gonna hook you guys up. They're blaming TradeRate. Yeah, it's some glitch. It happens. It happens. But don't worry. They're gonna fix it. They're gonna fix it. I do MNQ, Aussie. You're up 700 total. Yeah, total on the day. Yeah, I was down. I was down 480, and now I'm up 700. Is there a way to see how much drawdown you have left? Yes. Where it says equity at the top, right. Click equity where it says tr.drawdown. That's where the drawdown is. But yeah, guys. By the way, who's still holding with me? Who's still holding with me? Me? Cool, cool, cool. I'm gonna hold the rest. I remember, guys. I've trimmed 80% of my position. I'm holding 3 contracts left. All right, guys. I'm holding these 3 contracts with a break-even stop loss. I don't care what happens. If they go lower, we make some extra money. All right, guys. MAO on the re-entry, I entered at 798, and then it went up to 829. Wait, what? Oh, you probably entered maybe too early, because we never saw drawdown. We dumped straight down. Yeah, I sized 10. Yes. They have an educational question. The sweep earlier today at 781. Could we have taken longs off that inverse? The sweep today. Wait, what? 781. Wait, guys, hold on. Hold that thought for a second, because we're selling off right now. We're selling off. I would say the next price target would be at the gap fill, which we're not too far from. But yeah, no, we're, oh my god, 130 points. What the fuck? Guys, what a trade, man. Looks like it's an issue with the copy trades? Probably, yeah. Yeah, no, there's a lot of glitches going on right now with TradeRate this week. Like, a lot. But yeah, guys, we're currently up 130 points, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 130 points. By the way, guys, if you're green on the day, which I'm sure most people are, guys, post those wins in the wins channel. Help me out there, you know, help me put myself out there with the wins and the trades. If you guys can, post those profits in the wins channel, and you know, I'll give you guys a shout out in the announcements channel. All right, guys. But it's if you want to. You guys don't have to, but it's up to you guys. Anyways, we're currently up about 130 points. Yeah, 130 points on the trade. It's a good way to end the Friday. Although we started off on a rough note, it's a really good way to end the Friday. Because these fucking profits are paying me, bro. I made 600 on Monday. It was break even Tuesday, break even Thursday, and then 130 points today with a $700 profit. I am up some serious money this week. Wow. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. But yeah, if you guys are green, once again, guys, because I'm peeping the wins channel. I'm seeing a lot of you guys posting those wins. I love to see it, man. I love to see it. I love to see it. I love to see it. Let me see. Fill the gap. Oh yeah, I thought we filled it. Pass my first account, bro. Oh my, how much money did you fucking make, bro? 4 grand? Did you? Oh my god, you full ported, bro. Ah, don't get used to that, bro. Don't get used to it. Congrats, but don't get used to full porting. Are they now silent? Yeah, yeah. Like, looks like my family's not getting evicted, bro. Is the gap fill an imbalance? No, it's not an imbalance. It's just a gap in the market with no volume. So we gotta fill that gap. Usually, we fill it. Blasters, when you trim, typically you take half of your position at 25 points. And then you normally take one set of trims. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, like 1 to 2 set of trims on the way down. And they already, yeah, like, oh, I can steer a girl, bro. Bro, you're not stealing shit, bro. What's the next price target? I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I don't have a next price target. The trade is practically done. I'm holding these contracts, but the trade is done. Like all the price targets got hit pretty much. So if we go down, that'll be amazing. But you what does it mean to full port? It just means to put your entire account on the line for one trade. Um, so yeah. So if the trade goes red, your account is gone in one trade. It's pretty dumb, but people do it just so they can make a lot of profits. But yeah, let me see. Do you goon? Next question. Are you going to look to inverse the? Wait, you guys are typing too fast. Are you gonna look to inverse the move down? No, bro. After straight, bro, I'm done for the week, bro. Tips on holding trades longer: learn how to trim and learn how to move your stop loss to break even, and just let the trade do its thing, bro. Like at this point, look, I have my stop loss at break even. Whatever happens, it doesn't matter. Oh, and I'm guys. By the way, I'm about to pass these 10 accounts on Apex. I I'm $1,000 away. How many accounts are you holding? Two contracts. What's your full size? 10 micros. Full porting evals. Okay, if you have the money, yes, full porting evals is not bad, but you're gonna make bad habits. So don't get like that's what I said. Congrats, but don't get used to it. Yeah, if you got, I mean, to be fair, these evals cost the same as like a McDonald's meal. So the RP Goon, I don't know. He doesn't. I don't know, bro. You gotta ask him, bro. I don't know. On your first string, how many contracts did you get rid of? 5. I always do half, and then since I size 10, I did half of my contracts. Bro, oh my, you're charged over 101. I mean, you're going off. Damn, okay. I'm off for the rest of the day, bro. Get off for the rest of the week, bro. Go enjoy the week, bro. Go enjoy the week. Full porting is a hard habit to break through, to be honest. Yeah, I did struggle with that with options. David, bro, what caused us to get stopped on the first trade? Um, it's this one. So on the 5 minute, okay, look, on the 5 minute time frame, yes. Look, guys, today we did not make a single mistake. We read the market perfectly. I told you guys, hey, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down. We're gonna be bearish. I know why we're bearish. I had confidence, right? The thing is, look, we swept all-time high drawn liquidity. We swept it. Yeah, I just said that. We formed the MSS and we inversed this 5 minute fair value gap. The only issue is, yes, we got a good entry and we got a quick 20 points, which we didn't even take at the time, right? But the thing is, the reason we got stopped out is because by us inversing this 5 minute fair value gap, we shot into the midpoint of the 50 minute fair value gap. So we didn't inverse everything. Yes, we got a good entry, we got a good reading, just too early. We didn't wait for the final confirmation, which was the 50 minute inverse. Now you guys see, I told you guys, it's okay. We're red, it's fine, whatever. Once we inverse this 50 minute time frame, we should be good to see lower, right? We inversed the 50 minute, and what ended up happening right after? 130 points, right? So I would say the reason we got stopped on the first trade is because of the 15 minute time frame, the 15 minute fair value gap, because we didn't take out liquidity. There was no reason to inverse or to reverse in general. What the hell? Oh my god, we just shot down like crazy. My profit just fucking TP all the way down. But yeah, we should see lower. We should see lower. We are currently up about 140 points on the trade. Thoughts, bro? What, bro? I'm gonna stop reading your questions, bro. Yo, is there any way to have a limit order auto canceled if it gets hit? I don't think so. I don't know too much about it. I usually just cancel them by myself. It's not too hard. You trim out 25 points? No, yeah. Well, in this trade, yeah. Not gonna lie, I feel that, bro. But Bushra is good. He doesn't take with anyone, which is weird. Oh, that's just yeah. On Trinivate, you can set up auto stop losses. Yeah. Well, no, don't do that. Don't do that. That's the ATM, right? I have that shit off. It's yeah. He kills me when he says he's gonna stop reading the questions. Nah, bro. I mean, the trade is green, bro. Fuck it. 20 accounts, bro. What? You made 35K this week, bro. I can't wait till I get these other 10 funded, bro. Because that's gonna be me real soon. I'm $1,000 away from getting another 10 funded, so I'm gonna have 20 accounts copy traded, guys. 20 accounts being copy traded today, or not today. Soon. So they kicked him out. Wait, for real? I think he just left. He told me he left. Why would they kick him out? Do you reckon it's good to wait for the 50-minute to inverse as well if the setup is similar? Um, okay. There's pros and cons to it. The pros is yes, you're gonna get a very good confirmation to the point where the setup is more than likely gonna play out in your favor if it inverses off the 15-minute. The only problem is you're gonna get a very late entry, right? So it's a hit or miss. Either the 5-minute can work out in your favor, but you can get more confirmations out of the 15-minute. So yeah, if you want to pay the price, you could do it off the 15-minute. If you want to enter early, you could do it off the 5-minute. I always do it off the 5-minute, and I run the risk, which is fine. You know what I mean? I know what I'm risking. If you guys don't want to risk it, wait for the next setup. Bro, you should do the Ninja Trader method and use all 3 prop firms. My friends have been telling me to do that, and I might do it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, but he's a shit person too. Look at Yaks. And he timed me out for a week just because I said something about calls. Like, I wasn't even talking shit. I was like, what the fuck? And then he DM'd me on some weird shit. What do you mean DM'd me on some weird shit? Like, 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 is that what we're thinking about? Like, or is it something else? You blast. Where can I go for the information regarding starting an LLC? Oh, you need tax. What is it? Tax advisor, tax accountant, some shit like that. Thank you, SJN, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll give credit, bro. Don't stress. I really, bro. Trust me, it doesn't bother me, bro. It really doesn't. What are the requirements for copy trading? You just need more than one account. You just need more than one account. You don't have. There's no requirements. It's featured with the accounts. First step on opening an LLC. Have an accountant do it for. It's an accountant, right? Or a tax, like the tax people, like the people that do everything for your taxes. Have them do it for you. You can do it online, but it's a pain. Just a CPA. Yeah, pretty much. That's what it's called. Trust me. Just pay the price, and they'll set it up perfectly. Yeah, so I can send you one. Cause I have one since you're in Miami pretty much. So you know, David, I accidentally pressed the sub button twice on my PA and doubled my position and got out of break even. I had 14 cons total. No, you won't get flagged. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Have a good weekend, everyone. I'm out. Thanks. I got you. I got you, bro. Send me a message on Instagram. And I'll send because I'm gonna forget. Yeah, but oh, okay. Yeah. Let me send it to you as well. I think I have her number. If not, my mom has it. Cause my mom put me on. Um, let me see. Do I have her number? I have her email. That's right. Middle of the Free Valley Gap bounced down. Right now, honestly, I don't even know what's gonna happen. We hit all the price targets, so we could reverse here. But we'll see. We still have this gap to fill. ES wants to inverse it. Oh yeah, ES is looking. Oh, because the thing is, ES took out every nearby liquidity. Look at this. Yeah, literally everything nearby, it took it out. I got you, Gear. I got you. I'm actually gonna respond to you right now after this live. I know I keep. It's just, bro. I promise you. I say I'm gonna respond. I get off the computer and I just don't get on for the entire day till the next day. Send me actually send me a DM right now. Send me a DM right now so I can have you on the list, like on the side thing. Aston, what or Ashton? My bad. I pronounce it wrong. My bad. What time frame is that? The 5-minute, right? That should be the 5-minute. Yeah, it is the 5. Oh, and actually, we're rejecting off the 5-minute. Beautiful. Okay, yeah, then we could probably see lower. My bad, bro. I didn't see the H, bro. Yo, David, isn't the gap pretty much filled? No. On the 5-minute time frame, it fills at 644. So we have about 30 more points to go down. So hey, that's 30 points that we can make money from. You know what I mean? So I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding for lower. I'm holding one for final TP. Oh no, to be fair, we hit the final TP about 20-30 points ago. But hey, we're holding for lower. Like, who cares? We're holding for lower. I didn't realize that fair value gap. Wait, what? I didn't even realize that was a fair value gap. Oh yeah, bro, because the volume is nice. So looks can be deceiving. You know what I mean? GG's, I'm gone. Hey, bro, take it easy, bro. Have a good weekend, bro. Uh, Something happened with my trade of eight. I'm holding on to runners and is going below the line of entry. Now I'm down 270 on them. It's weird. What? Wait. Send a picture. That's David. I'm still up 8 bends. Should I close them? Just trim, because we could probably see lower. If I pass my 50k eval, I made 3,900 profits. No, the 30% rule only applies to the PA, not the evals. This might be a dumb question, but can someone tell me how much you can withdraw from Apex all at once? It depends on the account you have. But I'm assuming you have a 50k account because everyone has one. So if you do have a 50k account, you could do up to $2,000 per account. Now, if you're copy trading 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 4 accounts, it's gonna multiply 2,000 x amount of accounts. So if you have 10, you're gonna get 20,000, $20,000 off one payout. How much you make off that trade? Currently, right now, I'm up 780 on the trade on 10 accounts. Well, technically 20 because I'm still copy trading the evals, but I don't count eval profits. Can you explain the 30% rule? Bro, trust me, I'm as confused as you are. The rule has been a thing since forever, and I still don't understand it. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you. This week was a little sweaty, but good trade today. Yeah, bro. Monday and today were amazing. Tuesday and Thursday were break-even trades, so you know a little bit messy, but at the end of the day, we made it work. So you know, hey Blasters, yo, does the 30% rule apply to the entire time? Yeah, it applies the entire time. Yeah. I'm gonna be going extra hard next week to make sure our trades are all green. If that's what works, bro, then be my guest, bro. Be my guest, bro. Payouts are becoming much easier after getting past past the stupid buffer. Yeah, bro. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. But yeah, guys, it seems like price might want to sweep here, or yeah, sweep liquidity. To be fair, we did take out um every single price target. To be fair, you know, according to what I read, the 3% rule means you can't have 1 day of gains. That's I don't get that though. Like, I don't know what that means. That's the problem. Because I hear you can't make X amount a day. You can't, like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Two more counts pass. Nice yogurt. Nice. Tough week, man, but patience truly does pay. Oh, I got a message. About to request my 5th payout. What? Bro. 5th payout. That's crazy. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Yeah, I mean, Jojo, that's not a bad idea, actually. Now, obviously, today we made a mistake with the 15-minute time frame. I would suggest you be careful with this 15-minute fair value gap, but that's not a bad setup. What I commentated, no, I'm gonna get off. I'm very tired, and I just want to get off for the week. So I hope you guys can understand that part. But if you do want to take it, it's not a bad looking setup. I would say it looks pretty good. I would take it. I would take it. But I would be careful with this 15-minute fair value gap. And yeah, guys, by the way, my two runners have the stop loss at 800. All right, guys. So no matter what happens, I'm gonna hold these runners, I guess, for the entire day until we see 800 or lower. You know what I mean? I'm out $400 on each account. Nice, bro. Oh, let me drink some water. Hold up. I'm out for 8,000. Nice, bro. What the hell? How many contracts? I'm in two. I'm in two. I really wish I trimmed one more down here, but who cares? What's one contract? What difference will it make? Hold on. Okay. But yeah, guys. Would you guys say it's good to call it a day? I look at when I get off. I'm starving. I really want to eat. Yes. Made back 900 after being down a lot. W. Nice, bro. I'm gonna make sure that next week is not as ugly as this week, but who knows? We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. I'm gonna go get off. I have to go. I'm gonna buy some clothes actually because I need some. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go do my stuff for the day. If you guys need me, at me in the chat or DM me. I got you guys. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully, it's not as hectic as this week, but we're gonna find out. You know what I mean? There's good and there's bad in the markets. All right. I'll see you guys next week then. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a good weekend and stay safe. Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys. I would say if you guys want to join the premium, go ahead. But I'm gonna do a discount over the weekend. If you guys do want to join, I'm gonna do 50% off. If you guys want to join right now, click the first link in the description and type code 50 and I'll apply 50% off any upgrade. I'm talking monthly, 3-month, or even lifetime. If you guys do want to join. Now, guys, make sure you guys are taking advantage of the 80% off discount from Apex off any funded account by using code Blastoise. That's BLASTOISE for 80% off. If you guys do want to join, it's the third link in the description. Get access to those funded accounts. And yeah, guys, honestly, really good day. I made my money. I made more than enough money for the month. But yeah, I'm really happy with this week. We caught 120 points on Monday, and we caught about 135-ish points, 140 points today. All right, guys. But yeah, that's enough for me. I'll catch you guys next week. All right, guys. Peace out and take advantage of the discounts. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Take it easy.